Hello everyone. I developed a retrieval augmented generation system, which is called RAG, that is deployed as a Telegram bot for on-demand academic assistance beyond the conventional courses reception hours. The assistant enhances the learning by delivering real-time personalized responses aligned with the materials of the course. In this course that I teach for many years, which is called Introduction to Parallel Processing. GPU acceleration significantly improves the inference latency, and that enables practical deployment on consumer hardware. This approach demonstrates how consumer GPUs can enable affordable, private, and effective AI tutoring for high-performance computing education, and in fact, it can easily be generalized to any course. The project is described in a paper, the paper that you can see now on the screen, and in the QR code, you can get a link to download the paper. I also will give a link to the paper in the description below. Let's have a look at the Smart Agent block diagram. So it looks something like this. First we have a knowledge base. Here we have all the course materials. It can be any document in any format. In my case it's PDF files and ebook. And then it is getting an embedding stage where the information is being cut into chunks and finally stored in a vector database. This is the preparation stage, and it is done only once or when there is an update in the course material. The second or the query stage is the stage where the user interacts with the system. So the user has a query. It writes his question in a Telegram window, and then together with the course material, an augmented prompt is submitted to the LLM. So the augmented prompt contains the query plus the relevant course material. And the LLM, in this case, it is the Mistral 7 billion parameters, an open source model. The response of this model is transferred also to the Telegram window, which I will show in a moment. Okay, let's have a look at a few technical items that I want to show you from the terminal. So this is a Linux terminal, and the project runs inside a Docker container. So first of all, you can see here that there is only one container currently running on the system, which is the Portainer agent, and I will show it the Portainer dashboard later on. Portainer is a way to monitor the activity of containers. In addition, I have, as I said before, I have a GPU in this computer, and as you can see here, I have a GeForce GTX 4060, which is a standard GPU for gaming. And let me start now the agent in the usual way with the Docker Compose. And it is running now. So you can see here that we have also now the agent running. So now we can go to the Telegram window and ask questions to the smart agent. So here it is. This is the way it looks. It is called Parallel Processing Channel in the Telegram, and I can write here a question. For example, what is the virtual organization? This is specific to the question specific to the course material. And after a few seconds, we get the answer plus some hints about the references or the sources from where it was derived. Okay, now let's have a look at the Portainer. As I said before, Portainer is a way to monitor the activity of containers in the system. So in my system, you see now the smart agent is available and it is in a running state. So if I select it, I can scroll down and see the environment variables that the container uses, and these variables can be fine-tuned in order to optimize the performance. We can also have a look at the stats or the state of the load of the system while this container is running, and you see now that it consumes very low CPU because it is idle. But when I ask a question, let's use the same question as before, and we'll go back to the Portainer, we will see a very minor effect on the load. So for single users, there are no bottlenecks in this system right now. I will leave also in the description below link to the code, so you can download it and try it yourself. Okay, I think that is for now. You are welcome to leave comments below, and thank you for watching.